Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to undo actions in monday.com. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to monday.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account. This will take you straight to your main workspace where you can access all your boards and dashboards. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the left panel of your screen. This is where all your boards, forms, and dashboards are organized. Click on the specific board, form, or dashboard where you need to undo an action. This will open it up in your main workspace and allow you to access the features you need to reverse any changes that were made. Once you have your board, form, or dashboard open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dotted lines, which is essentially your menu for additional options. Click on these 3 dotted lines to reveal a drop-down menu with various settings and tools available for that particular board or dashboard. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Activity Log. This is a crucial feature in monday.com because it keeps track of every single action that's been performed on your board. Whether it's a status change, an item being moved, a column being updated, or any other modification, the activity log records it all with timestamps and details about who made the change. Now you'll see the activity log open up, displaying a chronological list of all recent actions. Scroll through this list carefully to locate the specific action you want to undo. The log is pretty detailed, so you should be able to identify exactly what was changed and when it happened. This makes it easy to pinpoint the exact modification you're looking for without any guesswork. Once you've found the action you want to reverse, look to the right side of that entry. You'll notice an undo button right beside it. Click on undo and monday.com will immediately reverse that specific action, restoring your board to its previous state before that change was made. This is incredibly useful when mistakes happen or when you need to revert a decision quickly. And that's it. You've successfully undone an action in monday.com using the activity log feature, giving you complete control over changes made to your workspace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.